Every year, approximately 10 million hectares of forest are lost, accelerating climate change, biodiversity loss, and soil degradation. The Heartfulness Institute, known for providing free meditation and well-being training in over 160 countries worldwide, has extended its mission to address these issues through the Forests by Heartfulness initiative.
So Forests by Heartfulness, or what we call Heartfulness Green, and we have about 30 different ecology and environment and agriculture initiatives under that. We're looking at how we can transform this planet to be a more blue planet, with better water resources, a more green planet, with afforestation and green spaces and green zones, and also agriculture. We're talking about soil fertility, we're talking about organic farming, we're talking about sustainability as a whole.
Forests by Heartfulness is a mega greening initiative. How it is different is that it focuses on bringing in soil enrichment, water conservation measures, as well as very innovative greening techniques along with the traditional knowledge.
Currently executed 40 projects. We want to plant about 30 million trees by 2030.
Forests by Heartfulness brings together environmentalists, scientists, forestry experts, indigenous communities, and thousands of volunteers.
Most of our projects are guided by both traditional knowledge as well as modern knowledge. And this knowledge need not just be from India. So organizations like UNCCD, organizations like IUCN, of which we are members. We are now invited to take part in IUCN World Congress. So we are going there to understand how the Ethiopians are approaching their reforestation, how the great green wall of Sahel is happening, the sub-Saharan countries. So in all these, we get to definitely pick up points and incorporate in our own projects as well. And we also have a few things to tell them.
The team recently executed the world's largest forestation project using rain gun technology, transforming 400 hectares of land in Gujarat's Mehsana district.
We don't plant and leave, right? We consider a project year one of the plantation and at least take care of the plants for next 2 to 3 years.
We involve the local communities. We employ the people who belong to that region. So when they come and start working, they give us ideas. We take their inputs.
In Shivgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Forests by Heartfulness has transformed 2,000 acres of barren land into lush green landscape by planting endangered and endemic tree species.
Protecting endemic and endangered trees, and millions of trees have been planted. When we think of the children for the future, what we're going to give them through these projects is really, it's phenomenal.
Forests by Heartfulness uses state-of-the-art plant tissue culture to propagate tree and plant species that are on the brink of extinction. Recognizing that the success of a plantation depends on the entire ecosystem's health, Forests by Heartfulness has also undertaken the creation and restoration of water bodies. Forests by Heartfulness has also enthusiastically participated in the Government of India's Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam program. In many projects, biochar has played a crucial role in soil regeneration. Heartfulness has set up its own Biochar Center of Excellence to make biochar and also provide training to others on how to make and use it.
We have been generating carbon credits, more specifically artisan biochar carbon credits over the last couple of years. We're in the process of setting up our first industrial biochar plant in 2026, and we expect to start generating industrial biochar carbon credits by 2027. And I expect by about 2030 we will be generating about 50 to 80,000 industrial biochar carbon credits annually. We're also starting up some very interesting agroforestry projects. For example, we're working on a 2,000 hectare bamboo project, okay, in the area of Punjab and Haryana, where we'll work with farmers and farmer producer organizations, and we'll do bamboo plantation there. But we're also looking at post-processing of bamboo, okay, which provides value addition to the farmers.
Heartfulness also incubates startups that are doing pioneering work in spreading environmental awareness.
So statistically speaking, less than 2% of the schools teach students how to grow their own food or how to care about soil. So, and we are raising a generation that learns about photosynthesis without ever touching soil. So through OMG, we convert unused spaces and empty classrooms into a living farm where students learn how to grow their own food and consume what they grow inside the lab.
We've reached 200,000 students, trained 300 teachers, and empowered about 800 women on how to grow their own microgreens. And we align with 9 UN Sustainable Development Goals.
We have started OMG in our private schools like Delhi Public School in Hyderabad, Salwan International School. And we also started this in Fiji Island nations, where we have trained around 108 women on microgreens cultivation and indoor farming. At the same time, we are starting up with 4 schools in Kiribati with the Ministry of Youth Affairs in Kiribati, and we have set up an office in Sydney to cater to most of the Pacific Island nations.
Whenever we approach a new project, we do a proper need assessment, understanding the needs of the community, understanding the needs of the land itself. So not every project is a tree plantation project. The need of the land could be grasslands, creation of grasslands or shrubs.
What started as a greening initiative in the driest district of Telangana has already executed over 40 projects, partnered with corporate and government organizations, won multiple greening awards, has planted 3 million plus trees, has offset approximately 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide, and has curated 80 plus endangered tree species. Current projects include the ecological restoration of parts of the Aravalli mountain range, as well as forestation projects in Dubai and Belize. Forests by Heartfulness has also started partnering with the Coal Ministry of India for responsible and ecologically sound mine closures. Together, they have created a community development framework that will help people living in the mine-affected regions of India. Heartfulness has also embarked on a pioneering plantation project with the Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation at their bauxite mine sites in Kutch district, which have acute water shortage and highly compacted soils.
As of today, we have done greening of about 10,000 acres.
We invite individuals and organizations who are passionate about the environment to join us. We can make this world a greener place, one forest at a time.
Daji says, do whatever it takes to ensure that not a leaf gets dried,